guys, today we're going to learn about some science about the future. So in 1 billion years from now, our sun will be so hot that it will be 10% brighter than it is today and causing Earth's oceans to evaporate. And due to most of the life will die. In 4 to 5 billion years from now, our sun will run out of fuel and will start using hydrogen and helium in its core, and its weight will start to collapse under its own weight. And then in a Google years from now, the last surviving black hole will turn into a billion, and they'll have no energy. But there is another country that will be called the Big Rip, and then in the Big Rip there will be no life or light to exist ever again. And did you know in 2,000 years from now, global warming will melt most of the ice, and then it will melt it, and in 50,000 years from now, Niagara Falls disappears, and then it will be completely melted. And did you know in 5125, the end of the doomsday calendar, and it's a doomsday again, and that's the end of what will happen.
Then what do you know about the neighbors?
And then the neighbors with the galaxy, it's locked. And there's a neighborhood with the galaxy, and it's called Andromeda, and will collide in less than 5 billion years from now.
So do you think that it's really going to hit?
It's really. And then in 1 trillion years from now, the entire universe might collapse and start again. 100 quadrillion years from now, our sun will freeze and it will be too cold to touch. And some scientists have supposed that in 5 million years from now, they will be making men impossible. And then I think it's the end.
Then what about the sun? I really don't understand.
The sun will run out of fuel in 5 billion years from now, and then will start to collapse under its own weight, and will start expanding into an enormous size. It will maybe engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth.
Then what about our galaxy? It's going to be same or?
And also we all know about our solar system. It's a place with some planets and the sun. And the most important part is our sun. Without our sun, there will be no life on Earth. And then inside Earth, there's a core with a solid ball. And it's 6,000 degrees Celsius. And it's very hard. And then Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's about 56 million miles. It's 36 million miles and 58 million kilometers. And then Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It's about 229 kilometers from the sun. And Earth's diameter is 760 miles. And then a sun has a core, and some cores are hot, some cores are cold. And there is something called NASA, and there's something called a magnetic field that protects things that come from the sun, expansion. Without a core, Earth's magnetic field will no longer exist. The end.
Thank you. So good. So you want to become an astronomer or a scientist?
I would be a scientist and a doctor when I grow up. Start studying science and start helping people.
All right. Thank you.